In this video, I'll be showing you how to fit the supplied storm kit to your log cabin or summer house. The storm kits we send out compose of spring-loaded metal rods. The idea is you place one rod in each corner of the building. The very top of the storm kit will fix to the very top wall log before the roof starts. The very bottom will then fit to the lower half or even lower third of the building. The storm kit is there to help protect and safeguard your building against any severe wind or weather. When the storm kit arrives, it will arrive in loose parts that require assembling before it is placed onto the building. The metal threaded rods, springs, the metal brackets, the nuts and screws. They must be assembled in a certain order to make sure they work correctly once in place. To position the storm kit into place, the very top bracket needs to fix to the very top wall log. The bottom bracket will just naturally fit where it fits based on the height of the wall and the storm kit. Once you're happy with the position of the rod, simply mark the locations of the screws and then use the supplied screws to fix it in place. With both brackets now fixed to the wall, we've put a nut and a spring at the bottom and tightened it until there's some tension, and then there's also a nut at the top to keep it all together.